What's up, YouTube? I'm headed to Oak Brook to get my car detailed. I'm gonna try to get some crackles while I'm headed down there. China, say what's up to YouTube. Say what's up. Huh? Say like and subscribe. China. What? And no, China will not be with me. Will you be with me, China? Say no. No. Huh? I'm gonna try to do some crackles for you guys. You better not jump in front of me. I'm out in Oak Brook today. Just picked up my car from the wrap shop. They did an inspection to check on everything. Everything was okay. I'm trying to find out where I can get an exhaust system and do exhaust put in and stuff like that. I just can't find the right place out here in Chicago. If you guys have any suggestions, just let me know. Comment down below or message me on Instagram. A few more. What type of exhaust system you guys think I should put in the Mercedes? I was thinking about putting the Army Tricks. But it's so quiet. I need to make it louder. If you like these videos, please like and subscribe for more content. Say bye, YouTube. Say bye, YouTube.